welcome back to my channel. It's Korin.Jones, K to J. Today's video I am going to be reviewing the Annette69 Beauty Creations collaboration. I just want to say congratulations to her because it's a really well put together collection. Let's open it up. So I bought the box. I bought the whole collection and I bought the box. This whole thing was $69 and it came in a tin. It came in a tin box and it's so cute. I did this look using everything, so I mean this is kind of fake. I've already opened it up, but I wanted to show you what it looked like before, you know. This is her little card that came in the collection. It says, "Hey alien babies, I hope y'all love my collection as much as I love creating it. Thank you so much for the endless support. This one's for y'all. XOXO, Annette69." And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got the eyeshadow palette, the lip trio, and it's got a highlighter and the mink lashes, and it's all in this tin box. If you bought the whole collection and the box, it came with this brush. So this is the packaging. It's got this little slip and you pull it out. This is the highlighter. It's got these little aliens on it, and it's got the 69 in the middle with the mirror. It's got a mirror as well. This is the highlighter. It's kind of a gold, more of a gold tone highlight. And the lashes, the lashes and the highlighter are the same size. This is the style. It's kind of like a wispy, more full, but still kind of wispy. This is what the lip trio comes in. And this is the lip trio. They're all glosses. None of them are matte. They're all glosses. And I like that she gave 3 options. You know, it's kind of like, if you don't like a glitter gloss, you can have a matte pink, or if you don't like matte pink or glitter, you can have a matte brown if you're like a darker skin tone. And then this is the actual eyeshadow palette. It's got 12 shades, 12 regular shades, and then it's got 4 glitter shades. Ugh, can I get it out? So this is the palette. Everything has the aliens and the 69s on it. This is the back. Here is the actual eyeshadow palette, and it's got a mirror, which is a pretty decent size. It's not too small. I will swatch all of them really quick. Here are some swatches. This is Fire, Boss, Ruiz, Unstoppable, Muffin, De Niro, and Alien Girl. I'm going to go into Leo, which is the glittery pink. Oh my god, this one is so pigmented. Oh my gosh, that's Leo right there. That's Dreamer right there on my wrist. Baddie, which is the peach shade. Ooh, that one's pigmented. Right there next to Dreamer. 9, which is a paler pink. And then last but not least, 6, which is which I'm assuming would be the highlight shade, inner corner shade. It's a pretty peachy pearl shade right there. So that's all of them. Not very good swatches because I'm not the best. Now the collection dropped probably the beginning, I think the first drop was the beginning of June, and it sold out in minutes. I couldn't get it that time. I got it the second drop, which was June, no, was it July? No, it was June 21st, I think. And the silicone brush, if you can see, it's kind of a little paddle silicone brush. It's for the glitter shades because they're actually not like a shadow, like an eyeshadow formula. It's more of like a gel kind of, if that makes sense. Let me swatch the lip glosses really quick. There's 3 of them. This one is BB, this one's Queen, and this one's Mood. And they're all lip glosses. None of them are matte. Okay, so we're gonna start. This is the look that I did using the pinks. I really wanted to use the pinks for this look. Just wanted to use the pinks. And I didn't really get any fallout, so I went ahead and wiped away my bake on the other side. So we're gonna dig into the Annette69 palette eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes really fast with the paint pot, and then we can start. We'll zoom in and we can get a closer look and start. Okay, so you're right up in the mix. I'm breaking out a little bit right here in the middle of my forehead, but let's ignore that. So the first shade that I used kind of as a transition color was Alien Girl, which is this pink right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my crease and just get it all blended out. And it's a really pretty pink, like it's not neon, but it's not like too flushed out. So I'm gonna pack this in my crease. And I'm not really getting a lot of fallout in the palette or on my face with this color. This color is actually doing a really good job. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is a smaller, not a pencil brush, but it's just a smaller blending brush. This is from Visanti. And I'm gonna go into Unstoppable, which is this shade right here. And it's kind of like a maroon, a deeper maroon. Oh shit, I just got it all over the table. And this one does have a lot more kickback. If you can see, can you see it? Yeah. This one's having a lot of kickback, but that's okay. Usually the ones with, like kickback just means there's a lot of pigment. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this right in the crease and deepen up our crease and blend it out so we get a nice defined crease. And then I'm going to take our first blending brush with Alien Girl and blend out that edge. And then I'm going to take an actual pencil brush and I'm going to go into Muffin, which is it looks brown in the pan, but it's actually got purple tones in it. It's like a brown purple. We're going to go into Muffin. I'm going to put that right on top of Unstoppable to deepen up the crease a little bit so we can get a little depth. And then I'm going to take the brush we used for Unstoppable and go right over where I placed that. Not going to go to the edge, just right over the middle. And then I'm going to take the brush, the blending brush we used for Alien Girl, and blend out the edge, soften up our edges. And whenever I am going with Alien Girl, I'm dipping it in as well. So we're getting a little bit of product each time we're blending it out. I'm going to add a little bit more of Muffin. Just since we blended it out, it kind of lost a little bit of its power. And then back with the Unstoppable brush. And then one more time with Alien Girl, no product this time, just blending. Alright. And then I'm going to take my Shape Tape and cut my crease really quick. And then I'm going to take our brush that we used for Unstoppable, and I'm going to take a little bit of Unstoppable and put it right here on the edge and blend, or just soften up this concealer a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to take our Alien Girl blending brush and blend it out towards my inner corner. And then I'm going to take our Muffin brush with Muffin and I'm going to put it right here on the outer edge to blend it with our crease. Because if you can see, you can kind of see it right here. So you want it all to blend together. And I am getting a little bit of fallout right here, if you can see it, right under my eye. Just a little. I'm going to take Unstoppable one more time and blend out Muffin's edge. And then Alien Girl one more time right here in the beginning, and then all the way up. We're almost done. Now the palette, or the collection, did come with the brush. It came with the silicone brush. It's supposed to be for the glitter shades, and it's just this little silicone paddle, but it came with some, it's like a glitter brush on, if you can see it kind of floating around in there. So cute. But I'm going to use 420 because there's 4 glitter shades right here at the bottom. If you can tell, this one's kind of got pink and green reflex. Let me see if I can get it on the camera. Pink and green reflex. So this is a gold glitter 951, which I'm guessing is her area code. Believe, which is more of like a copper maroon glitter. And then what's this one called? Hustle. It's silver with blue reflexes. And we're gonna use 420, and we're gonna go ahead and dip into this. If you can see, let me see if I can get it. If you can see when I dip it in there, it's kind of got like a gel consistency, but this brush really picks up really nicely the product. All right, let me see. And this glitter is so pigmented, like so poppin'. I'm just gonna put it right on that concealer. Oh, try to stay in lines. Oh fuck, I fucked up. And then with whatever's left, I'm gonna soften up the edge of the glitter. And this is one more time in the palette, in the glitter, just to make it a little more solid. Wow, this glitter is so pretty. I've never really had a palette with glitter like this. With this formula, it's really nice. You don't need a glue or a primer or anything. You can just kind of put it on. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use the Unstoppable brush, but I'm gonna clean it off really quick on my napkin. And I'm gonna go into Ruiz, which is the blue in the palette right here. And I'm just gonna put it right on my bottom lash line, all the way across. And then I'm gonna take Alien Girl and blend out the bottom. And I'm actually gonna take Alien Girl and put it right on top of the glitter, on up here at the edge, just to soften up the edge. And next I'm gonna add some cream colored liner to our waterline real quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing really quick. Okay, so that's it for the palette. Now I'm going to use their lashes. So this is a really pretty lash. It's really fluffy. Okay, so those are the lashes. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara to wake them up. So we're gonna add the highlighter. So I'm gonna dig right in. This is a tapered highlighter brush from Luxie. And it's not really giving me fall. Oh yeah, it is just a little bit. Okay, so let's see if it's popping. It's a pretty gold. Can you see it? It's not too overwhelming, but it's also like there still, you know? Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little to my inner corner. Let me grab a brush. And then I'm gonna add a little to my brow bone. Okay, so I just lined with like a nude brown. I think I'm gonna use BB because it's kind of got the more pink to it and kind of went with the pink vibes. So we're gonna use BB, and it's kind of got like a paddle applicator. We're gonna go in with that. It's pretty. It's not really like ultra shiny, but it's pretty. I can still kind of smell it. It's kind of got like not a chemically smell, but just like what you think of when you think of lipsticks or lip glosses. This is the finished look I did using the ANNETTE69 collaboration with Beauty Creations. I picked up an extra eyeshadow palette, the ANNETTE69. So I will be doing a giveaway for this on my Instagram. So if you're here watching this, go to my Instagram and you can enter to win this palette. But that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe. If you're watching this video in the morning, have a great day. If you're watching in the afternoon, have a great afternoon, great night. If you're watching it at night, have a great night, sweet dreams. And yeah, thank you, peace and love.